everybody, my name is Jim. I am the manufacturer sales rep with Black Series Camper out of Southern California in the City of Industry. Today we are here in Flagstaff, Arizona at the Overland Expo. So we have our display set up today. I'm just going to kind of go over with you real quickly over our Patron, one of our top line for our tent trailers. So as we look along, we have this nice sleek design with our coloring, with our gray, with our black stripe, and as our gray stripe. We have some storage up front in this black cover up here. We have our LP tanks. We also have room for either fuel tanks, 5-gallon jerry cans, or 5-gallon water cans, whichever you want to take with you, whatever you find your needs are going to be. As we come forward a little bit, we have a storage compartment, and with our storage compartment here, it's a very large compartment, but which can also fit a refrigerator in it if you like, but it also has a pressurized fan in here, so that way it helps keep the dust out when you're going down those dirt roads. You're not kicking out a whole lot of dust and getting all your stuff dirty. We have some more storage here, another storage area where we have our bags where we keep all our poles for our tent and everything. We also have a pull-out drawer. We got a pull-out drawer on this side. Pull-out drawer is the exact same size on the other side that goes out, so that we have lots more storage up here. It's a solid, sturdy construction. As you're going through all this, again, steel construction with a zinc anneal process to help protect the metal from any kind of rusting. This is the door for the unit itself. So there's actually a special lock for it. You undo the lock, this flips down, that becomes a step in the doorway into your tent, into your living area. As you see, our lift up here, we have our nice big 16-inch truck tire. We're not using high-walled trailer tires, we're using truck tires. These are meant to go off-road. Now when this is sitting down on the ground, we do have 16 inches of lift on it. So we have our road clearance going down the road to help protect our system, keep everything up off the road. We can go through the water because we do have the nice tight seals on these to keep the water out of the compartments. In this door here, we actually have a seal with our kitchen. We have our outdoor kitchen here. So that's one of the nice options. Even with our tent trailers, you're still getting our outside kitchen with our water hookups, and then you have your gas hookup for the outside kitchen right underneath here as well. Okay, so they're nice and close. So as you come back here, we have our leg. The leg is going to help support the trailer once you get parked. We come around the back over here, and you can see we have a nice large compartment. So we have storage of 2 more spare tires. So we're not just running 1 spare tire, we're running 2 more truck tires on here. So if you get a flat, no worries, you got 2 spares, and our kits come with a tire repair kit anyway, so that way you can even plug when you're going down the road. So as we come down a little bit here, as we get down underneath here, we have some recovery hooks. They've got a 9,000 pound rating on the recovery hooks. So that way, if you get stuck, you can get pulled out backwards if you need to. As you look up underneath here too, we also have a very large metal tank. That's your water tank. These units hold 35 gallons of water. So that way when you're out and you're boondocking, you're out in the outback, you're overland, you got some water going with you and you can bring some more water in. As we look underneath here too, one of our key features is our suspension. Black Series prides herself in their heavy-duty off-roading suspension. We have independent swing arms with two shocks on each one, so that way we're sharing the load of going down the road with 2 shocks. We don't have 1 shock which can wear out and break down. If you have a failure of 1 shock, you still have a secondary shock to keep you going down the road. Other systems, they run a singular shock. Once you lose that shock, you're done. So if you look, we also got some heavy duty springs in there, as well as a chain limiter. So that way we're not dropping down too far and launching the spring out of the system. But you're gonna find this independent suspension on every single one of our Black Series units. So that way, again, all of our units can go down the road, go off-road, get you outland, get you out in the back, off in the boondock, and wherever you want to take it. This is not a pavement princess. This is going to take you out on the road, get you where you want to go.